こんにちは。BR 日本語の前です。今日は Today we're going to learn different verbs for musical instrument. Music in Japanese is 音楽。音楽 There's two kanji. First kanji is 音 sound and second kanji is 楽しい. So enjoying sound is 音楽 music. It's great kanji, isn't it? First up, to sing 歌う歌う歌 is song 歌を歌います歌を歌いますピアノ or keyboard play piano or play keyboard is ピアノを弾くピアノを弾きますキーボードを弾きます Common mistake is to play as in 遊ぶ遊ぶ is to play around not to play musical instrument So playing piano ピアノを弾くWhat about drum? ドラムを叩く叩く is hit ドラムを叩くドラムを叩いていますギターを弾く Again, it's the same one as piano or keyboard ギターを弾きますギターを弾きます Today we learn how to play music in Japanese Thanks for watching またねじゃあねみんな音楽好き私は大好きだよ